Hello, my name is Vikram Shrestha from EIILM-Kolkata. Currently I am pursuing BSc Hotel and Hospitality Administration, and today we are going to make Sheermal, which is from Kashmir. So here it goes.
For making this sweet Kashmiri bread, we need to make a dough. We have to make the dough with the flour, this sugar powder, we have ghee, and we have some saffron milk and some dry fruits. We need to enrich the dough with this dry fruits. And here is the dough. So we'll get started by rolling the dough. Now we have flattened the bread. Now we'll put some ghee in it and let it heat. Now we'll let the sheermal fry in it. The sheermal is fried. Put it in the basket and we'll sprinkle some sugar powder in it.
So our sheermal is ready. Do try this at home and please let us know how does it taste in the comment section below. Thank you.